Shimenta Ubanai Chemang. Returning Officer Kashilong Parliamentary Constituency SC Sadhu Ubadeiru Deputy Commissioner ka East Khasi Hills District Laong ba hadian kaching thep ward sha ka election Lok Sabha badang shudem kajingdan jang kajingwan poi ki nongthep ward kala kham biang ha kani ka kanti Laong ru ba kajingdan jang ki nong yashimenta ha kani ka election ha ki chakasor kaduna bah Usadhu Laong ba kajing don lang ban yashimenta ha ka election ka day ban khambun bat ki nong shongchnong ki day ban kham shimkhia ha ka baya day bat kani ka liang Ula benrap ba kajing kener sha ki nong shongchnong ka khambun ha ka election sha ki yeng dor bar thau an ha ba yan jor bat ka yeng bat ka election Lok Sabha
study outside the state will have a chance of voting in a kind of online.
But when we compare with the previous Lok Sabha elections, previous parliamentary elections in 2019 or the previous elections before, particularly parliament election, the turnout is better. In fact, there is almost like 10% difference is there we can see. But still, as we discuss in comparison with assembly elections, like the participation of, there are many aspects. First is that the association of parliamentary elections with the people here. So there should be more participatory exercises from the, in fact all stakeholders is required.